Let's see today how to create a menu bar animation using Figma. I have a design ready with me. We will just create that animation using this design. We just need to take one circle. Let us take a circle, draw top of the menu bar, and we just need to put inside the group. Let's keep it bottom. We just need to adjust it accordingly. Let us adjust the size as required. So there's no particular size. We just need to take the size as required, and let us change the color of the circle. I'm making it darker, which is similar to background color of the app. And double click on the circle just to change the shape. Select the handle, adjust as required. I'm just trying to modify the shape of the circle, and let us adjust these handles accordingly. Need to select the bottom handle and adjust the size, and other side also. I'm just keeping it little up. You can change always as required. And we just need to take one more circle top of it. Let us zoom it. Let us take the circle, click on escape to come out of that edit mode, and select the ellipse, draw a circle. Draw a circle top of the blue color circle. Right outside, and we can keep it, we can drag it inside the group again. Let us change the color of the circle to that menu bar color, and adjust it inside the first circle. All right, the circle is ready. We just need to place the icon the top of the green circle. Move it about 20 pixels and change the color of the icon, not the frame. We just need to double click on the frame to select the icon, change it to dark color, and text color to dark color. Right, the design is ready. The basic design is ready. And select the frame, Control D to duplicate it, and let us change the position of the circles. We just need to move it onto the second icon. Select only the circles and move it towards the right. Adjust it to the Align it to the second icon and change the position of the first icon back to normal. Change the colors back to gray. All right, text color back to gray. And now the select second icon, adjust the position and select both. Change the color of the selected items. All right, the second screen is also ready with me. Now let's create an interaction between these two screens. So between this second and first icons. So let's click on prototype, go back to the first screen, select the second icon and link it to second screen. So navigate to, and animation type must be Smart Animate, and the duration is okay. Select the first icon from second screen and link it to the first screen. Now the remaining settings are same. Let's click on play to check the preview. All right, screen is here. Just click on icons. Yeah, you can see how beautiful that the circle is moving between these two. So close this and let's come back, click on design, and let us duplicate the second screen to create links to the other three icons. So repeat these steps, same steps. So moving the circles, changing the icon colors, select the circles and move it onto the third icon, align it to the third icon. Change the position of the second icon, select icon and text, change the color back to gray, and select third icon and third text. Let's make them darker and change the position of the icon. Right, third screen is also ready. Let us duplicate this. Yeah, fourth screen is ready, and let us move the circles onto the fourth icon, align it to the fourth icon. Okay, let us change the position of the third icon back to normal. Change the text color and icon color back to gray. Right, select the fourth icon and fourth text color. Change them to darker and change the position of this icon. Fourth screen is also ready. Let's go to that frame, select it, duplicate to create that fifth page. So move the circles onto the fifth icon, align them to the icon, and change the position of fourth icon and change the text and icon colors back to gray. Now fifth icon is supposed to be up. Change the colors and change the position of the icon, just the icon. All right, all the pages are ready now. We just need to create the links between them. So all the pages are ready. Let's click on prototype. We just need to select this second icon, third icon, and accordingly, we just need to link them to the relevant pages. Let us zoom in further. Select the fourth icon and fourth screen, fifth icon and fifth screen. We just need to link it to the same number. Come to the second screen, third icon, third page, third screen, in fact. So fourth icon and fourth screen, fifth icon and fifth screen. The animation settings are remain same. Now let's go to the third frame, second icon and second frame, fourth icon and fourth frame, fifth icon and fifth frame. All right, repeat the same with the fourth screen also. Second to second, third to third, and fifth to fifth, since we're in fourth screen. So let's go to that last screen and let's select the second icon and link it to the second frame. Third icon, third frame, fourth icon, and fourth frame. Perfect. We are ready. We are good to go. So we can click on the play button to check the preview now. Now we can click on any of these icons to check the animation. Now that you can see how beautiful that the circle is moving here and there. So you can click on anywhere. So it is not compulsory on sequence. First, last, first, third. However you want that you can click on it. So that's how we can create different types of animations using Animate. That's all for now. Thank you.